Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm SRT Dad. Thanks for taking the time and checking this video out, guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Guys, today we're going to be talking about this EzLip Pro. So basically what this is, guys, it's a universal spoiler lip, as it says here. It's very easy. It's just take this 3M tape off and you stick it to the lip of your front bumper. So today we're going to be doing it on my 2009 Charger SRT8, which was recently involved in a little accident where I lost my front splitter. So I'm just going to put this EzLip on for the second time. I've had it on previously. So if you can see under here, guys, I have gunk. So there's like a little bit of gunk from the previous EzLip I've had. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hit it with this rubber wheel and get it off of there, and then I'll apply some alcohol wipes or just alcohol in a towel and just wipe it down, dry it so it's ready to be to prep the surface so the EzLip will stick and sit on there very well. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and do that. So I cleaned up the bottom pretty good. It took me a little while, like a good 20 minutes or so. You can see there's no gunk, but there's holes down there from the previous splitter I had, like I said. But it's all good now. The next thing I want to do is just get a bottle of alcohol that I have here, right here. Just put it on a towel and just wipe the bottom down to prep the surface, and then we'll go ahead and stick on the EzLip. And then you just cut off the end. So there it is, guys. The EzLip is now installed. You can see it gives that spoiler just extra thickness to the lip. Basically a splitter, just, you know, like a rubber splitter. It looks great. I'm gonna back the car out so kind of take a better look at it, guys. Alright guys, so we just got all done putting the EzLip front spoiler on, front splitter, lip, whatever you want to call it. And here we go, there it is. Looks good. So at the end I cut it off, a little bit of a crooked angle. I guess I could line it up later, but it's not a big deal. That's what's nice about these EzLips, guys. They're not forever, but sorry, I'm a little out of breath, but just kind of doing this in a rush. But you can see it looks good, guys. Looks really good. Like I said, I'm not changing that front bumper out. The damage is really minor. Now, what I do like about this lip, guys, and I'll show you here, because the Danko front splitter I had before, just at the sides, they were kind of curved in too much. And on this EzLip, it kind of like, it's a wide, gives it a wider look on those ends. And you know, I didn't do it perfect because this one's kind of pointing up and this is kind of pointing down, but it's not a big deal, guys. It's just a rubber lip, so there's no pressure, right? Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I would go out and buy one of those EzLips, guys. A really, really nice mod to have. I have them on the side skirts as well, as you can see. Very nice mod to have, guys. Anyways, I'm SRT Dad. I'm out, guys. See you later.